Hello and welcome to Modifications YouTube channel. Today we've got a damaged LCD on a Samsung Fame, which is an S6810P. We'll just obviously show you the handset. Just take a while for the phone to switch on. As you can see, the lights are on. Obviously there's no screen, so we're going to be fitting this part today. This is just the LCD. So now let's take the phone apart. Need to remove all these screws around here. And please be aware, this is not a guide, it's just to show you that we do offer a mobile phone repair service. Shut the screws are out. Carefully taking the back off. It can be a bit stiff. Spare me a second. So I have to bring this further towards me. I'm just easing the back off very slowly. It is a bit difficult with this, to get the back cover off. It's nearly out now. There we go. It's that side out. That's it. So that's the back housing off. Take the motherboard out. As you can see, just removing the ribbons. Steady as we go. It's the motherboard. This is the LCD, as you can see. So we need to undo this ribbon here. Very, very carefully. Now I just need to move the LCD screen. It can be quite tricky. Just finding a decent spot to get in. See, I am taking my time. And once we're in, nice and steady. Be careful not to try and be careful not to touch the top screen. That's the old one. Here's a new one. Just removing the protective film on the screen. Just take a bit of time to find a corner to get hold of. You can see there. It's a new lens LCD. Just putting the ribbon back in. That's that done. Put the phone back together now. Put the components back in. Just test the screen now, see if it's working. Obviously the screen's now working. Test the touch screen as well, make sure that's okay. Obviously just waiting for the phone to boot up so we can obviously test the these two keys and obviously the touch panel as well. So what we'll do now is we'll just put the back housing on to secure the board in. They are quite stiff to clip in, so we're not actually breaking anything, hopefully. Get the battery in. Obviously this is the old one. There we go. Everything working it should do. So that's a new LCD for a Samsung S6810P, which is a Fame